Hello, welcome to my math class again. This particular video is going to be on ALEKS timed quizzes. I'd like to answer the question of what is the timed quiz, where can you find it and take it, and what are the rules for taking the quizzes so that you can get the highest possible points. So here we go. Well, the timed quiz is just a way for one, me to test you and see how you're doing, and two, for you to practice on the topics that you're learning over and over and over again until that you're so good at them, you get 100%. So it is a win-win situation for both of us. The course is set up so that there are 3 timed quizzes before the midterm, so they have midterm topics on them for you to practice. After the midterm, there will be 3 more timed quizzes that focus on the final exam, and you'll be able to practice with those. The first 3 quizzes will be open during the first week of the semester, and they will not close until the day of the midterm exam. You have unlimited attempts to take those quizzes prior to the midterm exam. At that point, they'll be closed in ALEKS. You will not have any more opportunities to take or retake those quizzes. So get in there early, take them as often as you can. Try to get to 100%. At the midterm, no more, and then we'll start over with quiz 4, 5, and 6. What the quizzes are, let's talk about where you're going to go to find and take those quizzes. You guessed it, we're going to go to aleks.com. That's where the quizzes are, so let's go there now. So from previous videos, you know that to get to reports, you go to the main menu. To get to your quizzes, you're also going to go to the main menu. From the main menu, you're going to click on Assignments. Now these are several different assignments in here, goals and all kinds of things. So if you just want your quizzes, you're going to use the filter, click on Quiz, and then unclick the filter. And this will give you just the timed quizzes. Now notice these are from last semester, so the dates are different, but they're going to be set up the same way. Quiz number 1, 2, and 3 will open and close on the same dates. Quiz 4, 5, and 6 will open and close on the final exam. Open after the midterm, close on the final exam. In order to take a quiz, all you're going to do is just click on the quiz that you want to take. You're going to read the directions. Notice there is time. It will tell you how much time that you have. It will remind you to use paper and pencil. The time will only begin once you select Start, but once you do that, you only get 30 minutes. You cannot stop the test. You cannot go back to it another time. You have to begin, go for 30 minutes, do the best you can, and then end. If this was not the quiz that you wanted, you can go back by just clicking Assignments List, and then you're back. So what does this unlimited attempts mean? I think that some of you will see that as an opportunity, and some of you will use it as an excuse not to take the test until the day that it's due. I highly recommend that you take it on the date that it's assigned, and I will show you that in the LMS, sorry, it's not soccer here, so that you have many opportunities to do better. Don't wait until the last date to take the quiz. Do them as you go and get better and practice and practice and practice. Every time you take a quiz, it will be graded, so you'll know exactly how you did immediately when you're done with your 30 minutes or you press submit. That grade, though, will be held in ALEKS. It will not come over automatically into the Canvas gradebook. I will have to do that myself. So if you take the test over and over and you want to see a better grade, you need to let me know about that. I've repeated that in the assignment directions as well, so let's go there. So we're back in Canvas. Let's go to Modules, and let's click on Timed Quiz number 1. So here are the directions for Timed Quiz number 1. Oh look, there's a study guide. You can press the study guide and get a list of topics. For instance, if you're in Pre-Calculus B, you would do B. If you were in A, you would click on A. So you click here, and it gives you the actual topics that are going to be tested in the quiz. So you could go to the review section or the new section wherever you can find these topics and study them first. Or if you're having difficulty with the quiz, you can check here to see which topics you haven't understood and need to repeat before you take the quiz again. So I just have that in there to help you out if you need it. So the directions: learn these topics as soon as possible. Before midnight on Friday, go to the main menu. This just explains how to go to ALEKS and find the quiz again. Read the directions and complete the quiz. This is your first attempt at quiz number 1. Notice this is due January 29th by midnight. Do your best, but remember that you can take the quiz again if you do not do as well as you would like. All timed quiz grades will be updated after the midterm exam to indicate your highest attempt. Again, you can have unlimited attempts. I will take the highest of all of your scores, but I am not going to do that every week. I will take the score on January the 29th, even if it is a 0, and that will be your grade until the quiz closes on the midterm exam day. If you're taking the quiz over and over, or if you've taken it for the first time after January 29th and you want your grade to appear in this LMS gradebook, it is your responsibility to contact the instructor and request the grade be updated. Alrighty, that is all I have to say about that. So you are ready to go back to the modules and click on the testing quiz. Read the information there again, watch the video again if necessary, and then take the quiz. It's worth 10 points and it is due on January 22nd. Good luck.